As a Google Platinum partner, we help new clients set up Google Analytics on a weekly basis. For marketers responsible for tracking their website performance, Google Analytics is by far the best tool in the market. In order to stay competitive, it is important for webmasters to know who visits their site and which pages are most popular. For example, if you're an American company selling swimsuits, you probably don't want all your web visitors to be coming from Antarctica, do you? Let's get started. Log into your Google account. If you already have a Google account for your business, then you can go ahead and sign right in. If you don't, then click Create Account. Once you're all set up with an account, go ahead and sign in at the top right corner and click Analytics. Once you're on the Analytics page, simply click the Sign Up button on the right-hand side. Google asks you to distinguish whether you're tracking a website or a mobile app. Google uses very different methods to track these, so be sure to click the correct one. Account name is the topmost level of an organization that contains one or more tracking IDs. Here you can simply put your company name. Enter the name of your site on the website name. In our case, it would be Ignite Digital. Then, under the website URL, enter the direct link to your site. For us, it would be www.ignitedigital.com. Don't forget, be sure to indicate whether your website is HTTP or HTTPS if you have a secure SSL certificate. For the industry category, you want to indicate what area you're working in, as Google would then provide you with the benchmark data to help you learn how the rest of the industry is doing. Next, input your reporting time zone and choose what data you would like to share with Google. Sharing your data is not mandatory, but if you're comfortable doing so, go ahead and click the Get Tracking ID button. Congrats! Now you have your tracking ID. It's time to set up the tracking code to collect data. Without the need for customer surveys, Google will learn about your web visitors and their actions for you. By generating your Google Analytics ID, you successfully set up a property. You'll use this ID in your global site tag installation, also known as a G tag. What's a G tag, you ask? Well, a G tag is your global site tag, a programming code that you paste onto each page of your site, allowing you to track website activity. This global site tag is custom for you and will appear under a box with the heading Global Site Tag. Your global site tag allows your tracking ID to be seen on all pages of your website, which allows Google Analytics to track every page's performance. CMS programs like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal have several different plugins and extensions that you can easily install, even if you don't have a programmer. There are 4 different options to implement your tracking code. Today, we'll go over 2 of the easiest ways to do so. First, we have website tracking. Use this universal tracking code for the chosen property and copy and paste it into every web page that you want to track. Lastly, we have Google Tag Manager. Use this if you have multiple analytics tags and ad performance tracking tools that you monitor. Keep in mind, this can slow down your ability to run marketing campaigns. Once you successfully added the code to your website, you may have to wait about 24 hours for data to appear in your reports. But don't worry, you can use that time to comment below and drop us a line about what you'd like to accomplish with your digital strategy. We love hearing from you guys. You've now successfully implemented your Google Analytics tracking code on your website. Congratulations! Don't forget to share this post with the rest of your team.